Hello, future officers. Have a very good morning. Welcome back to Daily Current Affairs series. And in this particular, we discuss daily current affairs with explanation. So I hope you will found it very useful for your upcoming exam, such as SSC, railway, banking, and any competitive exam. So let's start today's session. Before that, I will request you, if you are new in this channel Exam Study, then do subscribe and press the bell icon for regular update. If you want to watch the previous lectures, go to the playlist and you can attend the old lectures also. If you want to give us any suggestion, any query or any feedback you have, then you can comment us on our Telegram group, that is Exam Study, and you can follow us on Facebook page and on Instagram also. I will give the links in the description box. So let's start today's session. First, who has been appointed as the Ambassador Forest Line Heroes WWF India? Option 1, Upasana Chaturbedi. Option 2, Neeta Mandal. Option 3, Upasana Kamini. And option 4, Abani Trivedi. Okay, so here the correct option is Upasana Kamini. Yes, friends, Upasana Kamini has been appointed as the Ambassador Forest Line Heroes WWF India. Here you should know one thing, that the headquarters of WWF India is in New Delhi. Okay, and at present, Upasana Kamini is the director of Apollo Hospital. Okay, now move on to the next question. Which software company did Airtel partner with for 5G network solution? Option 1, Wipro. Option B, Cognizant. Option 3, TCS. And option 4, Infosys. So here the correct option is option 3, that is TCS. So TCS company, Airtel partner with TCS for 5G network solution. Okay, now move on to the next question. Mewa Sudan became the first female pilot of Indian Air Force in which UT? So Mewa Sudan belongs to which Union territories? And she became the first female pilot of that Union territories. Option 1, Ladakh. Option 2, Jammu and Kashmir. Option 3, Delhi. And option 4, Puducherry. So Mewa Sudan belong to Ladakh. Okay, and she is the first female pilot of that Union territories, but actually she is 12th woman to be the female pilot in Indian Air Force. Okay, and you should remember one static things also, that the capital of Srinagar, that is Jammu Kashmir, that is situated on the banks of Jhelum river. Okay, now move on to the next question. United Nations celebrated Public Service Day on which day? Option 1, June 21, June 22, June 23, and option 4, June 24. So here the correct option is June 23. June 23 is celebrated as Public Service Day. Why that day is celebrated? That day is celebrated to remember the value of public service, to remember the value of honesty and the value of development. Okay, so it was started celebrated since 2002, and in 20 December 2002, in the General Assembly of United Nations, it decided to celebrate June 23 as Public Service Day. Okay, now move on to the next question. Who is the author of the book Habba Khatun? Option 1, Kajal Suri. Option 2, Arundhati Roy. Option 3, Tanmay Bansal. Option 4, Shashi Tharoor. Okay, so here the correct option is Kajal Suri. Kajal Suri is the author of Habba Khatun. So Habba Khatun is from Kashmir and she is also called Kashmiri Nightingale. She was a poet and a monk also, and she was the wife of the last prince of Kashmir. Okay, and not but last but not least, this book is published by Sanjana Prakashan by Arvind Goer. Okay, now move on to the next question. Who has appointed as the director of National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience Institute in Bengaluru? Option 1, Dr. Pratima Murthy. Option 2, Dr. Sameer Sen. Option 3, Dr. Rajesh Gupta. And option 4, Dr. Arav Sen Gupta. So here the correct option is Dr. Pratima Murthy. So Dr. Pratima Murthy has appointed as director of National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience Institute in Bengaluru. Okay, now move on to the next question. Who won the Central European University Open Society Award in 2021? Option A, K.K. Shaileja. Option 2, Pratap Jana. Option 3, Shailendra Kumar Jha. And option 4, Subhas Mukherjee. So here the correct option is option 1. So K.K. Shaileja won the Central European University Open Society Award in 2021. Okay, now let's see the next question. And before that, one thing you should remember, that at present K.K. Shaileja is the Health Minister of Kerala. Okay, and why she get this award? For her determination in leadership and community and social service also. Let's see the next question. Indian Navy participate in a joint exercise with which navy for the first time? Option 1, European Union Navy. Option 2, US Navy. Option 3, Russian Navy. And option 4, Japanese Navy. So Indian Navy participate in a joint exercise with European Union Navy. Okay, and for India, INS Trikant will participate in this joint exercise for India, and without India there are other countries joined in this exercise. They are Italy, Spain, okay, and France. Clear? Now let's see the next question. Which country's higher power laser test fired successfully? Option 1, Iran. Option 2, Qatar. Option 3, Saudi Arabia. And option 4, Israel. Okay, so here the correct option is option 4, that is Israel. So Israel participate in the Israel test fire the higher power laser successfully. Okay, let's see the next question. International Widows Day celebrated on first option June 25, second June 24, and third option June 23, and fourth option June 22nd. Okay, so here the correct option is June 23. Okay, so International Widows Day celebrated to remember the plight of the widows, the discriminating nature towards widows, okay, and to empower the widows and give them self-dependent options. Okay, so that's the reason to celebrate Widows Day. Now, these are all for this segment. If you like this session, do like, share with your friends and contacts, subscribe this channel if you didn't subscribe till now, and thank you. Thanks for watching this video.